Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So as a new mom, I know it can be a bit challenging just trying to figure out what to actually pack in your diaper bag. You don't want to overpack, but you also don't want to underpack either, because you don't want to be stuck out there running your errands or doing whatever and not having everything you need. Trust me, I've been there, done that. So in today's video, I want to share with you guys what I actually pack in Riley's diaper bag, specifically in the winter months, because I have added a few new items now that it has gotten a lot colder out. Also in today's video, I will be doing a giveaway. There will be 2 winners, so make sure you stick around to the end of the video, and I will share with you guys what the rules are as well as what I'm actually giving away. I will give you one secret. It is in this diaper bag and definitely has been one of my staple products. If you guys would like to see more mommy hack or mommy related videos, definitely make sure to leave me a comment down below or give this video a thumbs up, and I will definitely get more of those out to you guys. I'm a new mom and I'm still learning the ropes, and I just wanted to share with you guys what has been working for me and even what has not been working for me, because I feel as if new moms or moms in general definitely need to stick together. It can be hard. But anyways, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So the diaper bag that I decided to go with is this book bag style that I got off the AliExpress. I want to say it was only about like $30 or something. I will leave the link down below in the description bar. So if you guys are looking for a diaper bag, then definitely make sure to check that out. They have a bunch of different colors, and I love the storage on this specifically. In the front right here is where all of the bottles can be stored. It does have a place for 3 different bottle. Right now Riley's on the 2s, so she has the 9 ounces and it fits perfectly inside. Then also in the front, I do like to put any of her bibs here, just because as you're grabbing for a bottle, the bib is right there as well. On the sides, it has 2 little pockets. So what I've been just adding here, I just have a little bag filled with her brushes and any type of bows, because, you know, she always wants to look cute. So I like to add that in there. And then we also have this hydrocortisone cream as well, because she does have dry skin. So we do like to constantly make sure that her skin is being moisturized. On the other side right here, I do have Vaseline, so just another chance to moisturize her skin. And also, lately she has been having really red, rosy cheeks, and when we went to the doctor the other day, he actually let me know that it was because it's getting colder out and she's also in the drooling phase. So the redness on her cheeks really just means that her skin is really dry. So he recommend adding some Vaseline to her cheeks, and it has cleared it up drastically. So just a little tip. So if you guys are going through the same thing and not really sure what it was, I thought it was just because she was teething, but no, just because she has dry skin. And then I also do like to keep her Tylenol in here, because I do bring her to my in-laws. So in case she does happen to run a fever or anything like that, we do like to keep her Tylenol in here. And then the last thing, just a little yellow piece of paper that I got from the hospital, which I bring to the doctors every single time, because when she gets her shots, I just have them fill this out so that I know what shots she's gotten already. So in the back, there is this, I don't want to say pocket, but there is this opening so that as you pack your diaper bag, a lot of the times you have things all the way at the bottom, and you don't want to have to literally take everything out from the top. And this definitely comes in handy. So if I just needed to get her blanket, all I had to do is just take it out from the bottom rather than even having to worry about opening it from the top. And then there is a pocket right in here, so if you need to store anything right there, you can do so if you will. On the strap, I do always like to have any type of hand sanitizer. Okay, so it fits a lot, guys. Like, this bag fits a ton of stuff. So what I have is her little dolly. Any type of toy will do, because when your baby gets cranky, you just want to have something to distract them or just to make them happy at the time. Then I also have a small burp cloth. I'm not the biggest fan of the smaller burp cloths. I will show you guys what I do use, or what I prefer to use as a burp cloth, but I do like to put one of the smaller ones in there just in case, just to have that. And then I also always have one of her swaddle blankets. Now we don't swaddle her anymore, but what I love to use this is either as a burp cloth. You can use this when you're out and about, and my child, she does not like to go to sleep when people are around, so sometimes I just put this over, you know, her as I'm trying to rock her to sleep. And then I also like to use this because sometimes when I'm going grocery shopping, or you end up someplace where it's a little bit colder than normal, you can also just use this as a blanket too. So I like that it has multiple uses and it's really big. So yeah, that's really about it. And then I have this changing pad, which opens up, and then that's where I have, you know, my wipes in here. Now that I took some of that out, as you guys can see, there's a lot of pockets that line the edge of this. Oh, there we go. There we go. So I like to keep a bunch of diapers in here, and then another burp cloth, because really, babies are so unpredictable. It's always great to have just a little bit of extra. And then I always have just a pair of pajamas, because sometimes we do go to like friends' parties or go over to a friend's house and we stay a little bit later, and it's just easier to put her pajamas on so that she's good to go. So when we come home, she's already ready for bed. And then in this little baggie, I have a spare pair of pants and another long sleeve onesie, because we are in the winter months. And the great thing about putting everything in a baggie is it's easy to it's easily accessible. And then also, if she happens to throw up or spoil any of her clothes, I can use the same exact baggie to put it in, and I don't have to worry about it ruining any of her other clothes or items in the diaper bag. So just another little tip that I have personally learned. And then on the side, I have her cute little hat just to keep her head warm. Then I also have these multi-use covers from My Cheeky, I believe it is. And what I really love about this is it has multiple uses. And now that it's a lot colder here in New Jersey, I personally use this to put it over her car seat. This opening is up at the top, so you can still look in and see her and make sure that she's good. But what I love about it is it blocks out all of the wind and just keeps the warmer air inside to keep her a lot warmer. I really love this, and it has definitely come in handy now that it's gotten colder. Okay, so another thing that I like to keep in here is just a cute little jacket for her in case she gets cold. It's great just to have that to put on her. Just another thicker blanket in here. And then I always have my pre-packed formula. If you guys have missed my new mommy hacks video, I will leave it linked up here and also in the description bar down below, because this is definitely one of the best things I ever got from my shower. And then the last thing, I just have a pair of socks, which actually should be in that plastic bag, but whatever. So really, that's everything that I pack in her diaper bag. It may seem like a lot, but this bag holds a lot, and it kind of stores everything, and everything has its own place, so it doesn't feel like it's a lot, if that makes sense. So now on to the giveaway. I am giving away 2 of the My Cheeky tots. And there are 2 different types of prints. I basically held all 3 up and asked Riley which one she liked, and she liked the starfish one. So I have 2 more that I would love to give away to you guys. It's really easy to enter. Literally, all you have to do is be subscribed to my channel, and leave a comment down below with your either email or your Instagram, and I will DM you guys once the giveaway is over and let you know if you guys have been a winner. These come in such great handy if you are a new mom or you're just a mom in general, because it's cold out and this is the perfect kind of extra something to have into your bag to make sure that your baby is always warm. This is also great if you are going food shopping or if you are also going out to a restaurant. You can lay this out so that your child doesn't have to sit on that dirty stuff and put their mouth on it. You know that they're putting their mouth on this and you've cleaned it, so you know that it is safe for them. So the rules are really, really simple. Be subscribed to my channel. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what your Instagram is. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoy videos like this, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.